Hi, myself R. Olyarasi, Assistant Professor in Commerce, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women in Tirchangood. Now I discuss about income tax. Income tax residential status. What is the residential status of assessee? Determine the scope of chargeability of his income. Residential status are determined the respect of each previous year. Other words, residential status of persons may weigh one previous year to another previous year. A person can have only one residential status for previous year, that is, he cannot be residential for one sources of income and non-residentials for other sources. Individuals, section 6 subsection 1. An individual is classified as resident or non-resident, and again a resident individuals may further be ordinary residential or non-ordinary residential in India. Residential status, individual, section 6 subsection 1. Residential in India, he is an India is the previous year of the period of 182 days or more than his section 6 subsection 1. He is in India for a period of 60 days or more during the previous year and for 365 days or more days during 4 previous years in immediately preceding the relevant previous year. Section 6 subsection 1. Non-residents in India. An assessee who is not satisfying section 6 subsection 1 shall be treated as a non-resident in India for the relevant previous year. Additional conditions to the test whether residents individuals in ordinary residential or not. Resident and ordinary resident in India. He is satisfying following condition. He has been resident in India as a section 6 in at least 2 out of 10 previous years immediately preceding the relevant previous year, and he has resident in India for a period of 730 days or more during 7 previous years immediately preceding the relevant previous year. Resident but non-ordinary resident in India. If an resident individual does not satisfy both additional conditions as given under section 6 subsection 6, he is resident but not ordinary resident in India. Hindu undivided family, section 6 subsection 2. An Hindu undivided family can be either a resident or non-resident in India. Again, resident Hindu undivided family can further to be classified as ordinary resident and non-ordinary resident. Resident undivided family. When the control or management of the affairs of Hindu undivided family is wholly or partly sustainable in India during the relevant previous year, then it is treated resident in India. Control and management, a non-resident HUF and Hindu undivided family is non-resident in India if the control and management of its affairs is wholly sustainable outside India. Ordinary resident in India if the manager of a resident Hindu undivided family satisfies both conditions given under section 6 subsection 6. Hindu undivided family, he is said to be ordinary resident if the manager's as residential HUF does not satisfying both additional conditions given section 6 subsection 6. He is said to be not ordinary residents. Company, section 6 subsection 3. Resident company. An Indian company is always a resident in India. A non-Indian company is said to be a resident in India if it is places of effective management in that year it is in India. Piece of effective management means a where key management and commercial decisions that the necessary for the connected of the business of an entity as a whole or an systems mode. Non-residence company. It places of effective management in that it is not in India. She said company is non-resident in India for the relevant previous year tax point. In cases of company, there is no such divisions like ordinary residents or non-ordinary residents. Any other persons, residents and non-residents. Residents means any other assessee will be treated as a resident in India if the control and management of its affairs is sustainable wholly or partly in India. Non-resident India. If control and management of affairs of the assessee are sustainable wholly outside India, it is not resident in India. Thank you.